Yes guys, it is officially here. A new case of 2021 diecasts, almost said 2020 then. But yeah, there is lots of new variants, lots of new diecasts. Of course, bung some highlights out here. You guys know which ones they are. Of course, and I cannot wait to get into this unboxing. Now I've got this case from Getmecollatabills. This is case B of 2021. Case A has already been out for quite a while, but this is case B. Case C is also out with the Easy Idle Racing tractor. But yeah, without further ado, let's start off with this case unboxing. I've already opened it up to save a little bit of time. But yeah, so we're going to start off with the first row. We got a Thailand release of Corey Turbo It, as we can see here, which I do like Corey actually. See her sick artwork here, pretty cool. Of course, again, there's the Mattel logo here to indicate that she is made with metal. And of course, here is the back of all the cars. We can see Flo, Darren Ledford, Mildred Bylane, Corey, Aiken and Holiday Hotshot. Made it in Thailand, pretty cool. There is only one of her in the case, so just bear that in mind. Going along now to the next car in the case, which is Harami, which is a red variant. She is darker red, pretty cool. Made by Mattel again. Mattel logo, no new for 2021 because she has been released before. And again, Cars 2, inaccurate Cars 3 Lightning McQueen on the back here. See some other pretty cool cars. Maybe they're in this case. Made in Thailand. Bought, of course, the background. Love that background. So there is one of her. Here's one I will be opening on Christmas Day, or doing a video on in the future or after Christmas. Here is Cars 3 Bob Cutlass. Again, not new for 2021. Pretty cool artwork. Like how they expanded the artwork this time. Made by Mattel. We can see the background. Hot Rod Smokey, Taco, Tom W. Lots of cars in this case that are on the back here. Pretty cool. I'll leave the highlights out. Of course, in this case, this will fly off the pegs. And I know it will. We've got Darren Ledford, the Cars 1 version. Pretty cool. So I'll put one aside for now. We can see there's his Thailand expression. Darren Ledford, of course, the Cars 1 Piston Cup racer, just to bear in mind. And I'm glad they actually did put him in the Cars 1 line. Again, no new cars on the back, just the same as before. But yep, that is a highlight. Here's one that nobody really cares about because it is Jackson's Storm, but it is his first release on this Horizon Desert, so we'll let it slide for now. I believe he is another variant. On the back we can see some cars, Cruise, of course Track Cruise, Hot Rod, Sheldon. Lots of these cars are actually in this case, which I am pretty pumped about. But yep, this one definitely not a highlight, but glad he is getting at least one release. That is the first row complete. Now going on to the second row. We have got pretty sick one. Again, always flies off the pegs. Is Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Or Fabulous. Pretty cool. This is artwork. Again, not too much different to the original Thailand release. Here's the back. Again, the same cars, 6 cars on the back. Pretty cool. This is a favourite for me because I love Lewis Hamilton and I love to collect Lewis Hamilton on packaging. His artwork is pretty sick. We can see the gap in his teeth. Did they continue that onto the diecast? Yes, they did. Pretty cool. The back, this time around they've changed out Harami for Lewis Hamilton. Or Harami is on the back this time. Pretty sick. Here's a full release, which I put Gabriel on in the background. We've got Thailand Tom W. So, a re-release with Thailand. He's got these window bars this time. Tom W, pretty cool. We'll be opening this one up as well. After Christmas Day, the same 6 on the back as usual. As seen in Cars 3. Pretty cool. Another re-release for Thailand at least. The next 2 cars are amazing. Blind Spot, pretty cool. That is Sully's paint job if you did not know. Same 6 on the back. I apologise for that, guys, because my phone literally just stopped. But yep, next up, oh, you guys are going to love this because I'm doing a video on this one today, and this is the only card that I'm allowed from this case, and that is none other than Will Rusch. Now, I believe I will be one of the second or third person to review this, especially in like a good review too. So, of course, this is the first new 2021 diecast from this case, as we can see. New for 2021. Pretty cool. Will Rusch is the next-gen vinyl toupee racer. So we'll pass out red verbiages here. You can see some of the difference. Don't want to give it away too much, because I will be doing an unboxing and review. Here's the back. Same 6 cars. Yep, I love Will Rusch. He is definitely a highlight. For sure. Let's go. This is now the third row. And of course we got another new variant of Taco. As we can see. We can see the Taco Thailand release. So he's not really a very an interesting re-release. But glad he is getting a Thailand re-release. It's been quite a while since he's been released. Pretty cool. Again, we all know what the 6 cars are going to be on the back. So not too much interesting stuff there. We got up next, which is a new car for me completely. We got Hot Rod Smokey. Pretty cool. Glad he's getting re-released. Hot Rod River Scott is in the next case, and then Hot Rod Louise Nash will probably be in case D or E. But we haven't had any pictures of her yet. Pretty cool. Again, the same 6 cars on the back as usual. Pretty cool re-release, which is another variant. Sheldon shifter with the window bars. Pretty cool. Mattel logo. Again, different cars on the back this time. HJ, Pushover, Jambalaya. Pretty cool. Regular Smokey up there. He's not a really good highlight. Here is a good highlight though, and a brand new release. Of course, we can see the 2021 logo there. Of course, a new expression of Luigi with the checkered flag, which is the correct version. Pretty happy that these are getting released. Of course, I got Guido earlier today, so, you know, pretty cool. Of course, they had to remove some cars, so choking hazards because of Luigi and Guido and their small parts. But yeah, pretty cool. That'll be a video on after Christmas Day. Another new release and another new series for this line. Racing Red Mater, and you gotta say, wow. Looking at his metallic brand new release, you can see the difference. Video for after Christmas, again, Racing Red Series, 2021, Mattel. And we can see that instead of the regular 6 cars, we can see another 5. But some of them we already know, like Racing Red Sally, Racing Red Francesco, are coming out. Pretty cool. Maybe a Racing Red Sheriff. But that is a highlight for sure. I'm running out of space here. On to the final row now. And of course, in the final row, we got 2 Cars 3 Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Nothing too different or too dramatic from the one with the cupcake. But at least this time we do not have the cupcake one. So you can see his sick artwork here. I love this artwork so much, actually. Here's the back. We can see Raoul and McQueen, which we can see that it was incorrect because he is seen in Cars 3, not Cars 2. So Mattel, why are you making mistakes? Who knows? Here's a new release, but it was a previous carryover from the previous case. Track Damage Cruz Merit. Glad she's getting released, because that means we could still get damaged Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, because they're not allowed to release damaged cars, because it says damage and pretty much kids, you know, which bear in mind my video is not made for kids, so you know, YouTube, go away, piss off. But yep, anyways, we got new for 2021, again, pretty cool, love that expression on her. Of course, again, there's the back, other cars, that is a highlight for sure. What's not a highlight is Max Chanel here, regular Max Chanel, pretty boring, already got him, but glad that I'll be getting him. Again, here are the other cars on the back. And Cars 2. Here we have one that I will be opening and doing a review on because I'm getting him for Christmas twice. Is Hot Rod Junior Moon. Pretty cool. Cars logo. Pretty sick. And one last car in this case is Daryl Cartrip. So I liking to see that we got Daryl Cartrip and Bob Cutlass. Unfortunately, it's not the Cars 3 one. It is the Cars 1 version. But you can see on the back of Daryl, we've got Lizzie, Holiday Ramone or Christmas Ramone. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that does end this Haste unboxing. Now I have to put these all away because I'm not getting them until Christmas. My mum just said I can do an unboxing of them. Yeah, some pretty cool re-releases or releases here of Will Rusch. Of course, we got 2. We got Track Cruise or Track Damage Cruise. Let me know what your favourites are. One of my other favourites is Luigi and Guido. If I can get them from... Yep, they felt pretty cool. Luigi and Guido, or Guido at least. And of course Mattel, which is here. But yeah, that does end this video. My next video will be an unboxing on Will Rusch for sure. But yeah, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like. This video took quite a time to edit. YouTube, don't turn off the comments. You know I swore. That's the one off. Yeah, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like. KC will be in the next video. I'll definitely be doing a video on when it comes out. But yeah, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like. Dislike if you dislike. Hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one. Peace. It's not really worth it. Yeah, there was also another plastic set which I didn't get. There's the tractor set. It's a tractor 3 pack. Didn't get that either. Yeah, that was the Disney store.